Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade milk jelly blush. This innovative beauty product offers a delightful, bouncy texture that provides a sheer, buildable wash of color. You will learn to craft a refreshing tint that gives your cheeks and lips a natural, dewy flush. It is a fun and creative way to personalize your makeup routine with simple ingredients. To begin, gather your simple ingredients and tools. You will need 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin or agar-agar powder for the jelly base. Have 2 tablespoons of warm water ready, along with 1 tablespoon of your chosen milk or milk alternative. Select your desired liquid food coloring, a small heat-safe bowl, a mini whisk, and a clean, empty container for your new blush. Now, let's create your jelly blush. Start by dissolving 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder in 2 tablespoons of warm water, stirring until fully combined. Next, add 1 tablespoon of milk or milk alternative and a few drops of your chosen liquid food coloring. Whisk everything together thoroughly to ensure an even color. Carefully pour the mixture into your clean container and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, allowing it to set into a firm jelly. For best results, apply your jelly blush to well-moisturized skin. Dot a small amount onto your cheeks or lips and blend quickly with your fingertips or a brush, as it sets fast. You can build up the color by applying thin layers until you achieve your desired intensity. Remember to store your homemade jelly blush in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness. It should last for approximately 1 to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.